We want to determine the roots of 2x cubed plus 9x squared plus 8x minus 39, given that this is a root. Okay, if this one is a root, then we know that by the conjugate root theorem, that negative 3 minus 2i is also a root of this same function. Okay, if that's the case, then 2x cubed plus 9x squared plus 8x minus 39 will equal 3 brackets, because it's a cubic. So the first one will be x, and it'll be minus, and the first root is minus 3 plus 2i. And the next one is x minus, and the second root is minus 3 minus 2i. And this last root we haven't yet figured out. So this one here, we just want to think maybe there's a question mark in here. We don't know what that one is. So carrying on from here, I'm just going to simplify this bracket and get rid of the multiple brackets. So x, and it will be minus minus 3, so that's plus 3. And that would be minus 2i. The second bracket here will be x minus minus 3 is plus 3. Minus minus 2 is plus 2i. And my last bracket, which I haven't yet figured out what's going to go in there. Okay, if that is the case, then there are some things that we do know. Because there's a 2x cubed here, and there's an x there and an x there, this one here must be 2x. We do know this. I'm just going to put a minus c here because we haven't quite figured out what that one's going to be. So we also know that if we have this one here, minus 39, that minus 39 must equal the last bits in this bracket, that one, and this one, and this one. So we know that that must equal 3 minus 2i, 3 plus 2i, and this one here, minus c, hanging off the end. Okay, just doing a little bit of arithmetic. You can do this on the calculator if you want to. This here is that 3i minus 2i, 3i plus 2i. By the difference of two squares, that comes out to be 9 minus 2i squared. 2i squared is 4. I squared is negative, so that makes it plus. So that gives you that number there, times by negative c. Okay, that gives us 13 times negative c, which gives us negative 13c. So c, working out this way, works about negative 39 over negative 13 is positive 3. Okay, so c must be 3. So our last factor must be 2x minus 3. Sorry, that's 2x. I'll do it again. 2x minus 3. So therefore, our root for that would be 2x minus 3 equals 0. That's an x. Okay, and so 2x must equal 3x must be 3 over 2, which is our last root, or our last solution. Done.